Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf Mk6 headlight. First, gather your essential tools, a T25 Torx driver and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface for safety and stability. Before starting, always turn off the engine and remove the key from the ignition. This prevents any accidental electrical issues during the process. Next, locate the 3 T25 Torx screws that secure the headlight unit. You'll find 2 of these screws easily accessible on the top of the headlight assembly. The third screw is a bit trickier, located behind the bumper, requiring a slight pull on the bumper trim to access. Carefully remove all 3 screws. With the screws removed, gently pull the headlight unit forward to create a small gap. Now, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully release the retaining clip that holds the headlight in place. Once the clip is disengaged, you can then disconnect the main electrical connector at the back of the unit. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. Finally, with the retaining clip and electrical connector free, you can now slide the entire headlight unit completely out of its bay. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any debris or damage before proceeding. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and screws are tightened properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.